Hi, it's Jamie Steele here from Squinty Pixels. We are in Chatelherault Country Park in Hamilton. We've just received the Mavic Mini 5 Pro. We're bringing it here, have a wee fly about. Very, very beautiful day here actually. Nice blue skies, lots of strong sun, so the filters are going to be tested today. We've got to get it up in the air, have a wee look and see where we got on. In the bag we have the actual drone itself. I love the Mini series, absolutely love them. I do a lot of work with trades and commercial clients, so what I find is with this little beast, this little workhorse, we can get nice and close without putting any property in danger, any people in danger. The magic about this little thing is that we can fly this in the A1 open category. We don't need to fly this under the A2 CFC or the GVC licenses. Very, very impressed so far. Nice and sturdy, nice and easy, and it's pretty hard. I like that. I think this has got LiDAR sensors in it as well, which if you're crap at flying drones, it stops you from hitting trees, which I suppose a lot of people might suffer from. What else have we got in the bag then? 3 batteries, fast charger, absolutely brilliant. These are pretty much a mainstay of the last few Mini series. DJI pretty much have these batteries mastered now. So we've also got the RS2 controller. I've got one of these with the Air 3S. Very, very good controller, nice and bright, very vibrant. In terms of the transmission signal, it's always pretty strong, never have any issues. So pretty much used to flying with one of these, so I'm delighted to continue flying with this. So this pack comes with plenty of spare props as well. So for the donkeys that are flying the drones into trees, you don't need to worry, you get plenty of them. So I think we've got 3 sets of spares, so that's very, very handy. Touch wood, I've never needed to replace them yet in any of my Mini series, so all good. You also have a filter pack as well. So this is a DJI native filter pack. Personally, I think we could use a 64 in here. I think the jump from the 32 to the 128 is a little bit high, so sometimes you're kind of struggling to get that sweet spot, especially in days like this. So we're going to put the drone up, put some of these on and see how we get on. If you're looking at getting into drone work, if you are a builder, a roofer, you do solar work, you can buy a Mini and you can get your operator ID from £12. You get that from the CAA website, and once you get your operator ID, stick that on your drone and you can use that going forward.